Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to find compound interest. Before we begin, let's discuss what the compound interest really is. So for example, if you invest or if you take out a loan and interest is computed only once during the life of the loan or investment, then you're using or applying simple interest. But sometimes interest is computed more than once during the life of the loan or investment. The interest is added to the principal and the new amount becomes the principal for the next interest calculation. That process is known as compounding interest. So compound interest is the interest that is accumulated during this time period. So in order to find compound interest, we're going to use the future value formula and the future value or compound amount table. You can use either the table or the formula, but I'll show you both ways to find compound interest. So here in our question, we are given a principal amount of 6,000 and we're told that this is compounded annually, meaning once a year for 10 years at 3% interest rate. So using this information, let's put together our formula. So future value will then be 6,000 open bracket 1 plus R. R in your formula stands for rate. So here your interest rate is 3%. Hence 3% divided by 100 equals 0.03. Raised to the power of n. N here refers to the number of years or your time period. So here, as per your question, n will be 10. So in your calculator, you should get 8,063 and around 50 cents. In order to use the table, we need the number of periods and the interest rate per period. So the 3% that we discussed earlier and the 10 as per our question. So looking at the intersection of 10 and 3%, we have the value of 1.34392. So we need to multiply this value to 6,000. So you will get 8,063.52. Now these are two methods to find the same thing. This is again future value and this is also future value. So first we found future value using our formula and here we found future value using the table. Now the idea here is to find compound interest. So if you started off with 6,000 and you ended up with 8,063.52, the difference is the interest earned. Hence compound interest equals 2,063.52.